Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, the Sujata Show. Today I am going to show you how to make soft banana cake recipe in easy and simple way. So let's start it. Here is the ingredient I used today. I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have 2 mashed overripe banana. Going to put all this together. I have 2 large size egg. One tablespoon salt. Half cup melted butter. And 1 cup sugar. And mix it all together. I have 1 cup warm milk. I'm going to mix in it. Now put the milk little by little and mix it. So the reason I'm putting little by little milk, so I want like not loose or not hard batter. I will just want a perfect batter. Looks like our mixed batter is ready. I'm going to use this hand mixer to mix this. The reason I am using this is I can get perfect mixer of the batter. Now it's time to mix baking powder. So I have 1 tablespoon baking powder and mixed in 1 directions, like clockwise or anti-clockwise. Just make sure like you're mixing like 1 direction at one time. Looks like our batter is ready now. So at that time I grease the pan with the butter. I will show you in just 1 second. Yeah, see the pan, the baking pan, I greased with a melted butter. I'm going to taking all the batter on the pan and little bit like pat the pan so it will all will be set in the pan. The batter will set in the pan actually, yeah. And now I just want to garnish little bit at our upper side. So I want to garnish it with gently crushed pecan. And it's healthy, guys. I'm going to bake a cake on oven for 340 degree for 1 hour. And we will see the result after 1 hour. Here it is, the perfect banana cake. Seriously guys, this is so moist and so delicious. So it's easy to make. So you can cook anytime for your kids, for yourself, for your friends. So just try it and let me know how it was. Thank you for watching my video. If you do like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.